How to enable emergency alerts on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. After click on notifications, click on advanced settings. After click on advanced settings, click on wireless emergency alerts. After click on wireless emergency alert, so if you want to enable emergency alerts, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, emergency alerts is enabled. After enable wireless emergency alert, so turn on vibration. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.